In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive payments in Payoneer using local accounts, payment requests, and marketplace integrations. Let's start with the simplest path, sharing your local receiving account details. Inside your Payoneer account, you'll find dedicated receiving accounts in major currencies like USD, EUR, and GBP. These work like local bank details, so your client can pay you via a regular transfer in their own region system. ACH in the United States, SEPA in Europe, or faster payments in the United Kingdom. Share the exact beneficiary name, account number or IBAN, bank name, and any routing or sort codes. Ask your client to send the transfer in the matching currency and include a clear payment reference, like an invoice number, to help you reconcile. Transfers usually take a few business days to appear. This method is ideal for clients who prefer traditional bank-to-bank payments and want a straightforward way to pay you without creating new accounts. If your client wants more flexibility, you can send a payment request right from Payoneer. Create the request, enter the client's email, amount, and a short description of the work, and attach an invoice if you have one. Your client receives a secure link where they can pay by card, bank transfer, or PayPal, depending on what's available in their region. Card and PayPal options can be faster, but may include higher processing fees, so it's a good idea to agree on who covers fees before you send the request. Make your description clear and professional, set a due date if needed, and follow up with the link so payment doesn't get lost in a busy inbox. Once paid, you'll see the funds pending and then available in your balance. Finally, if you work through freelance platforms or marketplaces, connect your Payoneer account in the payout settings of that platform. Choose Payoneer as the withdrawal method, complete any verification the marketplace requires, and let the platform send your earnings directly to your Payoneer balance. This approach is seamless because payouts happen on the marketplace's normal schedule and you don't need to chase clients individually. No matter which route you use, once the payment lands, it appears in your Payoneer balance. From there, you can withdraw to your local bank, spend with your Payoneer card if you have one, or pay suppliers and contractors from your balance. To keep everything smooth, match currencies carefully, confirm payer details before sharing your account information, and keep your invoices and references consistent so reconciliation is effortless. That's all you need to reliably receive payments into Payoneer and get your money working for you.